Did you know 39% of working Americans have a side hustle? If you watch this video to the end, you will learn about 5 proven methods to make money online fast in 2024, and you can see if they really work. Making money online quickly has become a necessity in today's economy. With the rise of inflation and the cost of living, people are looking for ways to supplement their income or even replace their full-time jobs. Let's face it, making money online can be tough. There are so many scams and fake opportunities out there that it's hard to know what's legit and what's not. I've been there myself, wasting hours upon hours on methods that promise the world but deliver nothing. It's frustrating, demotivating, and can even lead to feelings of hopelessness. Many of us have tried freelance writing, online surveys, or even selling stuff on eBay. But the truth is, these methods are slow, tedious, and often don't pay that well. We want something that's going to give us a tangible result in a short amount of time. The good news is that there are legitimate ways to make money online quickly, and I'm going to share 5 of them with you today. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's a great way to monetize your online presence, and with the right strategy, can be very lucrative. Next, we have selling digital products. If you have a talent for creating something, whether it's an ebook, a course, or even a software, you can sell it online and make a passive income. The beauty of digital products is that once you've created them, you can sell them multiple times without having to put in much extra work. Third, we have dropshipping. This is where you sell physical products without holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier and they ship the products directly to your customers. It's a great way to start an online store without the hassle of inventory management. Fourth, we have creating and selling an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course teaching others what you know. With the rise of online learning, this has become a very profitable market. Last but not least, we have YouTube ads. If you have a YouTube channel with a decent following, you can monetize your videos with ads and earn passive income. It's not the most lucrative method, but it's easy to set up and can add up over time. Out of these 5 methods, my personal favorite is affiliate marketing. I've had the most success with it, and I know many others who have too. In fact, I made my first 5 figures online using affiliate marketing, and it's a feeling I'll never forget. My biggest sale was over $10,000, and it was all from promoting a product I loved. I want to inspire you to take action and start exploring these methods for yourself. You never know which one might be the key to unlocking your online income potential. In conclusion, making money online quickly is possible, and these 5 methods are proof. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace your full-time job, I hope this video has given you the inspiration and motivation to take the first step. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments which method you found the most interesting. And if you want more tips and tricks on making money online or saving money, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.